please subscribe. And today I'm going to show y'all how to do my famous potato salad with yellow rice. And that will go along with the chicken in the oven I have made. And if you guys want to know how to do it, it will be somewhere up here or here. But let's get started. We need 4 big potatoes, 4 of those, 5 eggs. You guys, I got the 4 large potatoes already boiling. If you guys would like, you could put the eggs with the inside with the potatoes. And I'm gonna let it cook for half an hour, y'all. Half an hour. So you guys, now let's go do my famous potato salad. So for this recipe, you guys will need 1/8 of a cup of milk, mustard, mayo, a handful of culantro, and 2 onion sticks, and salt to taste. So you guys, I've cut up my potatoes and eggs. Now we're gonna add the milk. Add the culantro. You guys, now I did have the chives. I cut them in little pieces like these. I forgot to let you guys know that we also put half of a teaspoon of Maggi chicken broth. Let's add a mayo. Now this is your choice. You got how much mayo you want. I barely have any. So you guys, this is the finished product of the potato salad, and don't forget salt to taste. So today we're also gonna make yellow rice, and for this recipe you need pre-cooked rice, which looks like this, or any brand that you guys have. This is the kind I'm gonna use. So for this recipe, you guys, we're gonna need a whole small Roma tomato, a half of a green bell pepper cut up, and a small half of onion, which looks like this. And then a whole cup of mixed vegetables. And then you stir it around for a medium heat for about 2 minutes. So you guys, I let this cook about 4 minutes so it could get salmon. So I cooked 2 cups of rice. So that's 1. 2. And we're gonna stir it around, you guys. For this recipe, we're gonna need sazon Goya, which looks like this, 1 of these, and about 2 teaspoons of chicken broth that looks like this. It's the Maggi brand, so you need 2 teaspoons of this one. Let me put my camera. So it looks like this. So you guys stir the rice about 2 to 3 minutes. And I put 2 cups of rice, right? For every cup of rice is 2 cups of water. So since I have 2 cups of rice, it'll be 4 cups of water. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Stir around. Now you guys, I usually calculate the salt, but this is how you like. This is your choice, but always taste it, you guys, before you let it steam. So you guys, we're gonna let the rice steam. When it gets to boiling point, then we'll put it down on low. For now, it's on medium. So you guys, my rice is already boiling, so we're gonna put it on low. And we're gonna leave it about 15 minutes. So you guys, let the rice steam for 15 minutes. So you guys, after 15 minutes of steam, the rice should look like this. So this is how you guys make yellow rice. Hello you guys, so I hope you guys like my famous potato salad. If you guys don't like some things I put in it, you guys can always take it out. Also, I hope you guys like my yellow rice. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell. Bye!